Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Honda CR-V EXL. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a 2.4 inline 4-cylinder with 185 horsepower. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. A black leather interior with a gray trim. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, CR-V, all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for radio and media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated seats. This CR-V has 76,160 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda CR-V EXL, visit us at feldmannimports.com.